Naghahanap ka ba ng single attached house and lot kung saan makaka-discount ka as much as 300,000? Not only that, kasi napaka-exclusive ng community at napaka-upscale din ng amenities natin. And syempre, location-wise, panalong-panalo kasi napakalapit mo lang sa ginagawang Cavite Laguna Expressway or Calax. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another quick house tour. For today, we're here in our Talia single attached unit here in Idesha, Dasmariñas, Cavite. Yes, you heard it right. 300,000 ang discount natin, plus may 30,000 na down payment discount pa yan ha. And not only that, 10,000 na ang reservation natin for our promo this coming Feb 14 up to Feb 17 lang yan applicable. For our Tala unit nga, for a standard inner lot, meron kang minimum lot size na 80 square meters at may floor area ka naman na 52.25 square meters. Kaya naman may provision ka for 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath. Balcony na nga rin to kasama over your carport, kaya naman covered na rin.